Hello foodies, welcome to my channel. Let's make something interesting this Thanksgiving. We all need some good sides for Thanksgiving menu, right? So here's one great side you'll always count on to be absolutely delish and perfect for everyone. Come on. This is one of the easiest sides you will ever make and see the amazement on everyone's face like it took you a lot of effort to put this together. You can prep all the veggies and keep them in a Ziploc in the refrigerator overnight, but make sure you thaw them before cooking. You can get creative and use broccoli and sweet potatoes also. You can also make your own seasoning mix and use this over the veggies. A lot of garlic will give that oomph to the dish. Try to use fresh parsley to give that fresh herby taste. Lemon juice will instantly upgrade the taste of the veggies. Now here, please try to use a good quality olive oil which will make all the difference in the world and you will notice the richness in the dish. Mix, mix, mix. Mixing is the key to distribute all the flavors evenly. The detailed recipe with measurements is in the description box below. See how beautifully the veggies are coated with all the herbs and seasonings? We will transfer them into a baking dish and no need to grease it. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified with any new recipe I post every week. Make sure the veggies are distributed in a single layer as much as possible for even roasting. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes or until completely cooked. Look how wonderful and colorful these look. I'm gonna just mix them around so all the flavors merge. Look lovely, don't they? We will check for doneness by poking a fork into the potato, and if it goes in easily, then they are all cooked through. Thanks for watching and hope you will make this dish for this Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.